Hello everyone. So we have this very interesting question of problem solving which can be solved using maths. So let's see what is given and what do we need to find out. So in this question we are given a word natic, N-A-T-I-C-K, which is written repeatedly. Okay, natic. Here it is written natic, and after this again it is written natic. Like this it goes on. Okay, we need to find the 75th letter in this sequence. So let's see how we can find this. So Natic, N-A-T-I-C-K, 6 letters word. Okay. Again, it is written N-A-T-I-C-K. Now look at the every sixth letter. This is the sixth letter. This is the 12th letter, right? So the sixth letter, every sixth letter is K. Every sixth letter is K, correct? Now we can find a multiple of 6 just less than 75. I will tell you why we are doing so. So we have 6 times 12 as 72, correct? So that means 72nd letter in this sequence will be K, correct? Because every sixth letter is K. So 6 times 12, a multiple of 6, 72 will be letter K, correct? Okay, if 72nd letter is K, correct? So what will be 73rd, what will be 74th, and what will be 75th letter? So after K, we will start with N again. Yes, after every K, what is happening? We are starting with N again, natic, right? After every K, we are starting with the same word. So next will be N A T, correct? So that means our final answer, that is the 75th letter in the sequence, will be T. It will be T. Let's write it down here. The 75th letter in the sequence is T. I hope you understood this well and you enjoyed the solution. If yes, please like the video, subscribe the channel, and don't forget to share it with your friends. Thank you.